Guys, kain na tayo. Ano yung flavor niya, anak?
Ito ano?
Di mo alam?
Gusto na pineapple spot.
Ito.
Cheese, tsaka Hawaiian.
At cheese at saka Hawaiian. Ito dito muna tayo sa Hawaiian, guys. Yan. Yummy, yummy. Napahiwa nga. Palagay lang dito.
Ulit naman ni Mami.
Baka anak ko ayaw niya. Mabidyoan sila. Pagdating ng araw makikita yung sarili niyo. Ayan, guys. Dito muna tayo sa Hawaiian. Kain muna tayo, guys. Sarap. Ang sarap-sarap. Walang sauce yung manghang.
Ano, nandiyan eh.
Ha?
No.
Okay.
Ayan eh.
Okay, sige. Masarap talaga yung pizza at size pag bagong luto. Yan.
Still looking for the best deals? Magpasabog sila sa akin ng 3-3. The 5% off flash deals. And up to 2,000 off Lazada voucher. Have you shopped Lazada's 3-3 sale? Shop at Lazada 3-3 pasabog sale now. Doble-doble ang baho. Dapat doble power ng Surf Liquid. Linis na tumango.
Di ka na papayat. Di ka na papayat.
Didn't get any warmer, did it? I don't want to bother you too early. I just wanted to let you know what the plans were for the day. Okay. I was here earlier because they had a split time where they dropped the
Kain mo tayo,
house
guys.
off, and then my buddy Jordy's going to bring skid steer over here to help just load that up and then now haul that off. So that's the main plan today. Get all this figured out. It sounds like a plan. All right. You take care.